Creativity, beauty, proficiency. Jade struggles to sell his work. Until he realized to post it on Facebook. In separate situation, Robin was newly arrived to his boarding house. But he accidentally forgot to bring his mats. And he decided to shop online.
Tomorrow.
The arts are a vast subdivision of culture, composed of many creative endeavors and disciplines. We can uplift the local culture through arts by sharing our creativity to others. Behind this positivity, culture can be destroyed by art through modernization. In our generation today, some people patronizing products which is on trend and forget about our local culture. In this case, because of art, culture can be destroyed.